students, today we will discuss para-amino-salicylic acid. Para-amino-salicylic acid belongs to anti-tubercular drug, and its synthesis, as per your syllabus, we will discuss. Uh, Apart from synthesis, we will discuss also the mechanism of action, how it works and how it as a anti-tubercular. Try to understand that is para-amino salicylic acid that belongs to anti-tubercular drug. Okay, para P for para, A for amino, S for salicylic acid. That's why it is also known as PAS. Okay. During the mechanism of action means how it become a bacteriostatic, how it becomes as a bacteriostatic. Bacteriostatic means it inhibit the growth of bacteria, or which bacteria, that is Mycobacterium tuberculosis, as tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, try to understand during the growth of Mycobacterium tuberculosis there is a certain mechanism, that is try to understand para-amino benzoic acid, that is also known as PABA. PABA combined with the pteridine in presence of folate synthesis and form folic acid. Okay, folic acid undergo the reduction by means of dihydrofolate reductase, forming the dihydrofolic acid, that is it is known as Fa and it is known as DHFA. Okay, again dihydrofolate reductase act on dihydrofolic acid and it form tetrahydrofolic acid, that is THFA. Tetrahydrofolic acid is responsible for uridylic acid to thymidyllic acid. Uridylic acid is the component of uracil, and that is the part of RNA. Okay, and thymidyllic acid is the thymine, and that is part of the DNA. Okay, see, DNA is the part of the nucleus which is responsible for the cell division. Okay, means here folic acid conversion synthesis as well as conversion of folic acid to the tetrahydrofolic acid is the essential for the bacterial growth, and that bacteria means Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, try to understand then what is the function or the mechanism of PAS, means para amino salicylic acid, that inhibit the this enzyme, that is what folate synthesis is inhibited by this PAS enzyme, which results all steps of all these will be inhibited subsequently. Means if there will be no formation of folic acid, then there will be all steps will be stopped. Means there will be no formation of DNA. If no formation of DNA, then there will be no cell division, because cell division require DNA, additional DNA for the formation of daughter cells. Okay, means similarly this reaction, means which reaction, that is uridylic acid to thymidyllic acid, is known as one special reaction, that is one carbon pool chain reaction. One carbon pool chain reaction, that is special reaction. Means one carbon pool chain reaction is known as where one carbon is transferred for particular reaction. Uridylic acid get one carbon from tetrahydrofolic acid and form thymidyllic acid. That's why this reaction known as one carbon pool chain reaction. Means para amino salicylic acid is responsible for inhibition of one carbon pool chain reaction by inhibiting the folate synthesis enzyme. That's why it acts as an anti-tubercular drug, but it doesn't destroy or cause death of the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. That's why it is known as a bacteriostatic. Okay, this is the all about the mechanism. At the same time, it cause different side effects that are the anorexia, nausea, and epigastric pain. These are the general side effects of this drug. Okay, now come to the synthesis of para amino salicylic acid. As we know, it is a very simple drug molecule. We have a three route of synthesis. Route number one, that is what is this? Phenol moiety 1, 2 and 3 means meta nitro phenol is the starting material of, and here what is happening here, carbon dioxide and K2CO3 potassium carbonate is used for the carboxylation process at the high pressure carboxylation process, that is the addition of carbon dioxide in form of carboxylic group. This is introduction of carboxylic group. That's why this reaction is known as first reaction. This is route, we can say route number A. Okay, this reaction known as, that is carboxylation. Okay, now come to the next reaction. Only and only difference is that only here our that is pass, this is the pass, our drug pass means para amino salicylic acid. Only difference is the nitro group and NH2 group. Nitro group simply reduced by the SnHCl into the amino group. That's why this reaction is the reaction number second, and it is known as reduction. Okay, this is the reduction. Clear? Means this our route number A is okay. Come to the next route number B, that is our route number B. We can start directly from that. This molecule means this molecule is named as what? As you know, simply the only it is analog of this one means meta aminophenol. Okay, meta aminophenol. Meta aminophenol, simply this reaction is carried out means carbon dioxide and potassium carbonate are used to by formation of carboxylic group, means introduction of carboxylic group. This process known as carboxylation, means this reaction we can say third reaction, that is the name reaction, that is carboxylation. Okay, now it is the carboxylation. This is route number second is over. Now come to the route number third, that is route number third, that we can say route number C. Here it is the, what is that? Carboxylic group having NH2 group at ortho position, that is anthranoic acid. Anthranoic acid, that anthranoic acid undergo nitration process as nitric acid as well as concentrate H2SO4 have a mixture of nitrating mixture. That's why it is after reaction third, it is reaction number 4, that is simply nitration. It is simply nitration process. Okay, after nitration means introduction of nitro group into the para position of carboxylic group, and after nitration here NH2 group is there, that is present on the benzene ring. If it will be treated with sodium nitride concentrate HCl at 0 degree temperature, that is that process or that reaction, that is fifth reaction, that known as diazotization. Diazotization. This reaction known as diazotization means formation of diazonium salt. This diazonium salt is simply converted into alcoholic group by the treatment of acid in presence of water molecule. Then it is the reaction number 6, and it is simply reaction number 6, that is hydrolysis. Okay, this is the hydrolysis. Come to the next reaction, that is simply here we having the nitro group. That nitro group as good as here means this molecule and this molecule simple, means only same reaction will be there, means our seventh reaction, that is simply reduction of a nitro group into the amino group by mean of SnHCl, that is means reduction, that is reduction. In this fashion we can synthesize pass our drug molecule. Pass means para aminosalicylic acid by mean of three routes, that is route number A, route number 2 and route number 3. As this simple it is a very simple molecule, that's why we have to reproduce all three route of synthesis during the if exam questions is that is write the synthesis of para amino salicylic acid, then we have to reproduce all three routes because it is very less or very simple molecule, that's why we have to reproduce all the routes, which as well as the if it question will be there that write the short note on the para amino salicylic acid, then you have to write the mechanism of action, usage, side effect as well as the synthesis of these molecules. Means whatever I have teach you that that should be reproduced in your answer sheet. Okay, this is all about what para amino salicylic acid. यदि if any question related to competitive exam that are emphasized question A, that may be the folate synthesis there inhibitor means that is okay, and one carbon pull chain reaction, that is okay, and side effect that may be anorexia or epigastric pain, this or as well as anti tubercular category of para amino salicylic acid. Okay.